Telegram is one of the best social media platforms where you can easily run advertisement and get what you paid for. Unlike other social media platforms where you can easily run advertisement and end up spending a lot of money without getting any single click. But in this very video, I'm going to simply show you how you can easily use Telegram to run your advertisement online and promote whatever you want to promote online and get traffic to it. Okay, this is going to work for you if you're a blogger, if you're a CPM marketer, if you're an affiliate marketer, if you want to promote your Telegram channel, Telegram group, Telegram live stream, and all of that. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is simply head over to this video website. You head over to art.telegram.org. Once you come over to this section, this is what you're going to see that says Telegram ad. Then you have to simply click on this login to start advertising. Okay, click on it. Once you click on that, you have to add your mobile number right here. Make sure you add country code here. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do right now is simply add your country code. Let me just add my mobile number alongside with my country code. Okay, so once you add that, click on the next button. They've already sent me a message on my mobile phone telling me to confirm this. Okay, so I'm going to simply confirm that from my mobile phone. So once you confirm that, then you're going to simply see your account here. This is going to be your personal account. You can also go ahead and create a new organization if you want to create a new organization. Okay, but for this advertisement, I'm going to simply use my main account for it. Okay, select that. Then you have to simply go ahead and add your personal information. Okay, for your personal information, you have to add your full name, John Francis, and for my email, I can easily go ahead and use my email, which is johnfrancis@paddedvibe.com. Okay, so that is my email. Then for my mobile number, I'm going to simply use my mobile number for this. Okay, for the country, I'm going to simply select my country, which is Nigeria. Then for the city, you can go for any city you want. Okay, this one is optional. Then I'm going to simply go ahead and click on this save and proceed. Okay, so right now we are ready to start creating our advertisement. You can show here we have no ad yet. Then they said, create your first advertisement by clicking on the button below. So we're going to simply click on this create new ad. Okay, so if you come over to this section, this is what you're going to do. You have to pay close attention to this if you want to run your advertisement and get the result you want. Okay, you have to make sure you pay close attention to this. You have to first of all add your ad title. Okay, your ad title should be what you are promoting. Okay, for instance, I can simply go ahead and add test there. Okay, for instance, this is just a test ad. Then for the target, specific channel target, you can easily go ahead and add the channel you want. Okay, let's say you want to add ME/. Okay, then you add Real Cash Club. Okay, so for instance, I want to go with this channel. You can see here, this is my channel name, John Francis. Any channel you want to add your advertisement to, you have to make sure you add the URL here. Then Telegram is going to simply update it with their name. All right, so once you add all of those channels you want to advertise your campaign to, you have to make sure you add your ad test here. Okay, then you have to make sure you put the URL you want to promote. Okay, so URL of the channel, post, or both you want to promote. This is what you have to add. Okay, for instance, if you have a Telegram channel where you want to gather all your traffic to, like you want to bank your traffic to that particular place, then from there you can easily send them to any website, any landing page, or any email list you want to send them to. Okay, you have to add that here. Okay, for instance, if I want to promote my Telegram channel, let's say t.me/Real Cash Club. Okay, so if you add that, this is what we're going to get. And on this section right here, CPM and turn, this is the amount they will be charging you per 1,000 impression. Okay, so like every 1,000 people that sees your campaign or your advertisement on a Telegram channel, this is how much they are going to be charging you. Okay, for instance, if I want to go for let's say 0.01. okay, so this is how much they'll be charging me per 1000 impression. Okay, so this is how much I'm going to be spending per 1000 impression. And for daily view limit per user, this is the number of time a specific user can easily see my ad. Okay, if I select one, which means one person, each user can easily see it once per day. Okay, so if you see my advertisement on a channel today, you cannot see it again till tomorrow. That is what it means. Okay, so if you select 2, if you see it today, you can see it another time, like 2 times in a day, then tomorrow. Okay, so that is what it means here. So you have to simply select 1 so that anybody that sees it, you can easily go ahead and click on the ad. Okay, but if you don't want it, you're not going to see it again for life. All right, so you have to select that, and the next thing you're going to do right now is simply select initial status. Let's select the active status. All right, so the initial budget in tone, let's select the daily limit. Let's select how much you'll be spending every single day. Remember, this is what we're going to be spending per 1000 impression, and this is what we're going to be spending per day. Okay, let's say we want to add 10 tons. Okay, let's say we decided to go for 10 tons, then we'll go ahead and schedule it if you want to schedule the advertisement. Okay, but there's no need scheduling your advertisement. All right, once you're done with all of the details, go ahead and click on this I accept terms and conditions. All right, then click on this create ad. Okay, you can see right here they said our balance is too low. Okay, so remember when we were setting this up, they didn't tell us to add fund, but right now we tried to create the ad, they said add fund. Okay, so right now you're going to simply go ahead and add fund to your account. Okay, so you have to simply click on this add fund button. Once you click on that, it's going to simply take you to this section where you're going to see the amount you have currently. Remember, you have 0 ton at the moment. Okay, then you can simply go ahead and click on this add fund on fragment. Okay, click on this. Okay, so once you click on that, you have to make sure you go ahead and connect your Ton wallet, then you pay for this advertisement. You have to make sure you add your tons via crypto. All right, if you have Bybit, Binance, if you have Trust Wallet, then you can easily transfer that ton to this very account. Then it's going to simply pop up Telegram advertisement section. Okay, you can see why you can easily go ahead and scan this from your mobile app. You can scan this from your mobile app, or you use your wallet on Telegram, or use Ton Keeper or my Ton wallet. All right, so anyone you decide to use, then this is going to be possible for you. Once you're done funding your account, you have to simply click on this create advertisement, and your advertisement is going to start popping up on all of the channels you've already selected. If you want to preview this advertisement from this section, let's say preview ad, so this is how your ad is going to look like. Okay, and so right here, this is the channel. Anybody viewing any channel can easily see it just like this. Okay, so the person can easily click on this view channel and subscribe to your channel. All right, so once this person subscribe, you've already gotten the traffic you want. Right, so this is simply how you can easily run advertisement on Telegram without stressing yourself. Remember, this is also going to work for you both on your mobile phone and also on tablet. All right, so if you have any question on this, I would like you to drop it down in the comment section. If you have anything bothering you, click the link in the video description and join us on our Telegram channel. I'm going to be there to reply you. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. If you want to learn how to make your first $100 online, the video showing your screen right now is going to help you to achieve that. See you right there.